This is our first lecture in which we are going to understand what is prompt engineering and why it matters. Right now, AI is like electricity in the early 90s. Everyone knows it's powerful, but only a few know how to truly use it. Prompt engineering is the art and science of communicating with AI to get the best possible result. When you interact with an AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini, it doesn't actually understand you like a human does. It works by predicting the next word based on everything it's learned from billions of words online. Your prompt is like giving directions to a driver who's never been to your city before. For example, if you say, "Take me somewhere fun," you might end up at a zoo, or a nightclub, or a roller coaster, completely random. But if you say, "Take me to the art museum downtown," but avoid the highway and stop at a coffee shop on the way, now the driver knows exactly where to go and how to get there. That's what prompt engineering is: clear, precise, structured instructions for AI. Let's say you ask AI, "Tell me about history." You will probably get a generic Wikipedia style answer. It will be vague, no format, no length, no topic, no audience. It leaves the AI to guess everything. But if you ask, "Write a 150-word article on the causes of World War II, focusing only on the economic factors, in a simple language a high school student can understand," suddenly you have given the AI role, topic, scope, style, and audience, and the answer will be 10 times better. So, it's applying prompt engineering by giving a clear task, narrowing the topic, specifying format, and tailoring it for an audience. Here is a test. If you gave that prompt to two completely different people, would they both understand exactly what you want? Pause and think of a general question you have asked AI or Google. Now rewrite it to be specific, structured, and detailed. Practice a prompt, okay? Let's see a difference with the help of an example. Give your AI a prompt like, "What's the weather forecast?" Now, for the same subject, give another structured, specific, and detailed prompt like, "Give me a 3-day weather forecast for your city name in Celsius, including humidity and rain chances." You will see the difference. In short, prompt engineering matters because vague questions get vague answers. But a clear, structured prompt turns AI into a laser focused tool. By the end of this course, you will be able to take any idea in your head and turn it into a set of instructions AI can follow perfectly. See you in the next chapter.